Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to access and use the web browsing feature inside your ChatGPT account. Alright, so if you want to access and use web browsing in ChatGPT, first you have to make sure that you are a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. If you are not, you can click on Upgrade to Plus on the left here and then upgrade to a Plus subscription. Then the next thing you have to check is whether you have enabled the web browsing feature, and you can check that by clicking on your account name and selecting Settings and clicking on Beta Features and make sure that web browsing is turned on here. Then what you have to do is click on New Chat. And you also have to make sure that you select browsing. So select GPT-4 here first, and then select browsing as the model here. And currently plugins and browsing cannot be enabled at the same time. So this is a limitation you have to keep in mind. And then to use web browsing in ChatGPT, you can use natural language to prompt ChatGPT to browse the internet. So you don't have to use any kind of special function or anything like that. Just add a prompt. So in this quick example, I'm going to show you how to use web browsing in ChatGPT. So all we have to do is tell ChatGPT to open a URL or a website, and I ask ChatGPT to explain to me what is on this web page, and then you add the URL of this web page and click on execute. Sometimes the web browsing feature will fail. It won't be able to click on the link. I have a troubleshooting article on my website. I will link it in the description below so you can check it out. But as you can see now, ChatGPT is clicking on that link, and hopefully it will be able to read what is on this web page, which is my website 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, which is about online marketing, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, social media, and ChatGPT and AI stuff as well. So as you can see, the model is not that fast currently. Interesting. So as you can see right here, it says reading content has failed, but it has successfully read the content here. So as you can read here, the web page is site 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. The site offers hundreds of online marketing tutorials, guides, and free resources. The website also features a section for popular tutorials such as how to change Facebook page URL, how to share the Facebook pixel. In addition, 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 offers free marketing audit checklist, including a Facebook page audit checklist, a Facebook pixel tracking audit checklist. It also talks about other sections on the website and other links. So as you can see, if you check out my homepage on my website, this is absolutely correct what ChatGPT has come up with. So all in all, this is how you can access and use the web browsing feature in your ChatGPT account. If you want to learn more about web browsing or plugins or ChatGPT prompts, make sure to check out my YouTube channel as well.